If you're a writer, there's a new way for you to begin sharing your expertise. One of the biggest misconceptions about being a writer is that you have to be broke or struggling or only make a little bit of money from royalties or from sharing your dissertation in different articles or getting advertisements on your blogs. But I'm here to tell you that that is so far from the truth. There are so many opportunities for you, and today I want to talk about one really special one. As we speak, online learning is a $200 billion earning industry, and it's set to continue to grow over the next several years. And so, one of the things that I've become extremely passionate about is taking all of the information that I have and sharing it in an online platform for other people to continue to learn. When I first began sharing my information on online platforms, I had no idea how things would grow. But needless to say, that creating courses has been the very thing that created a significant shift in my writing journey. And so I'm here to tell you that the same thing can happen for you as well. Let's be real. You already have the content. You've already done the research. You've already laid the groundwork and the foundation. Why can't you just take all of that information and deliver it to your audience in a new and creative way? It's a lot easier than you probably think, and you don't have to become overwhelmed or feel like it's impossible. I'm here to tell you that it's well within your reach, and it's a great benefit for you as a writer. When you create courses online, you have the opportunity to reach people all over the world. So not only are you being able to increase your impact, but at the very same time, you're able to increase your income. You see, there's a limit for the number of people that may eventually buy your book because some people don't want to read as much as other people do. There's a limit to how much advertisers may pay you on your blog. There's a limit to how many times you repurpose your dissertation before you get burned out. But what's really neat about online learning is once you put the material on, you can continue to have students enroll. So you're continuing to educate and you're continuing to increase your income. Creating a course was truly life-changing for me, and there's nothing special about me. It's something that you can do as well. If you're wondering where to begin, you know you have this idea, you know you have this information that could be transformational for other people that you want to share, but you don't know how to deliver it in this format, I have great news. You're in the right place. If you're looking for a strategy to get started, taking all of your content and turning it into a course, I'm the person for the job. As a coach, I work with writers just like you. I help them to take their big ideas, break it into bite-sized chunks, and create a course with a fail-proof formula that people begin to beg for. It has been life-changing to watch my clients with so much content struggle to get it out into the world and create a course and make a total shift in their writing career. And honestly, I want that for you as well. So right now, for a limited time, I'm offering my new course called The Content to Course Creation, which will walk you through how to make this happen. If you're ready to get started, you're ready to increase not only your impact, but also your income, use the link below to sign up. And I can't wait to see you on the inside.